Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and tasty cauliflower and broccoli salad. It's got a lovely sour cream dressing and just makes such a lovely make-ahead salad that is always a hit with all who try it. And I have written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe with the step-by-step instructions, so you can click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you give this salad a try and what you think of it. So the ingredients in the salad are cauliflower and broccoli. We're going to use a half a head of each of those. I've got sour cream here for the dressing. You could use mayo or plain natural Greek yogurt if you want instead. It's up to you. You could mix it together. I just like it with sour cream. I'm going to use a bit of red onion chopped, a bit of lemon to help balance out the flavors, and I am making a cheesy salad, so I've got some grated cheese here, extra mature Irish cheddar cheese that I am going to mix through and top the salad with to make it lovely and cheesy. So let me show you how to make it. I'm going to get started by chopping the veggies. I've got the broccoli first. Now what I am prepping mine into is a meal prep container. Then I've got it in the fridge and I'm not sure whether I'm going to portion it out for lunches through the week, or just if you're going to a picnic or potluck you can just grab and go. If you want to make it in a salad bowl instead, you can do that, but I just thought I'd do it in a meal prep box to make my life easier, and then it just fits nicely into the fridge with its lid and everything. So I'm going to start by chopping up the broccoli and popping it into the meal prep container. So I've chopped the broccoli into bite-sized pieces and I've popped it into half of the container, and now I'll fill the other half with cauliflower, just like that. And now I've got my dish full of cauliflower, broccoli, and now all the other ingredients can get added in and mixed through, and you can adapt them depending on the flavors that you want your salad to be. I'm going to start with red onion. Go for a quarter to a half of a red onion. I've diced up a quarter of mine. I had quite a large red onion and I'm happy with that amount once it's all mixed through. So next we'll add in the lemon. Now I want both the zest and the juice in my salad, so I'm going to grate a bit of the lovely lemon zest over, and then squeeze over 1 to 2 tablespoons of juice. I'm just going to go for 2 tablespoons. I'm going to give it a little toss through. Now it's up to you for seasoning. Salt, pepper, you can add any herbs you like. I'm just going to go for a bit of salt. And then it's up to you how creamy you want the salad to go. Go for about a half a cup to a cup of sour cream. I've got a half a cup here. I'm going to mix it through, and then if I want more, I'm just going to add more in. And then just give that a good stir through. And then when you're kind of almost happy with it, with the cheese, I'm going to add in half a cup, add in a little bit now, and then a little for topping. So add a little of the cheese in now. And we'll just mix that through. Oh, there you go. You have lovely creamy cheesy goodness with every mouthful. I do find that the salad benefits from a few hours in the fridge, even overnight, just to let all those flavors develop. But I like to also just finish it with a little more cheese on top. Oh, that's perfect. My creamy, cheesy cauliflower and broccoli salad is done. Look at that. There's flavor and cheesiness and goodness in every mouthful. This is always a hit with a family, and if we take it to picnics or anything like that, it's always devoured. It's always appreciated. But yeah, that's the video for today for how to make this easy, cheesy, creamy broccoli and cauliflower salad. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, and loads of ideas for variations too. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.